If you eat it like that, you have to eat it and hold over your head like how Tucson eats it. And the joy about this is that, hold on baby, you soon get some. The joy about this is that it have a salty flavor. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. The vacation is still in full swing and we are on another road trip. This time just Babe and I and Tyler with our friend that is carrying us. We are actually going to the south coast. I think he's taking us to two attractions today. I think we're going to a place named Lover's Leap, and I think we're going to another famous spot called Alligator Pond in St. Elizabeth. So we are do road. I hope you guys remember this Jamaican expression. We are do road meaning we're out and about and we're just having a good time on this vacation. So we're actually on the highway right now. Tyler is just here chilling with Mama and Babe is around there and our friends driving. I'll let you guys see him as soon as we reach, but it was so nice of him to take us on this trip. It's our final week, so we're just making the best of it, and Baby really want to go to the side. We want to go to Portland side, but the weather hasn't been so good. It's been raining non-stop, so we decided to go to another direction instead. So it should be a good day. We're really looking forward to this. So as usual, we're taking you guys along with us, so we catch up with you guys in a bit. Hello. Hello. Say cuckoo. You're vlogging? Of course, we're making Potty stop in Clarendon again, and we're with the boys. Tucson, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, babe.
Hi, guys.
So we're actually heading to get some patties. You guys are at Potty stop right now, but we're inside this time, and like the last time we got to drive through. So we're getting patties, cheese patties, of course. Tyler, Papa, look. Hello. Hello. You guys, we just got patty, but we have them to go, and we saw this little park that's called Empowerment Park. Just here. It just looked like a park that have things about national hero, because I'm seeing Marcus Garvey all the way over there. It really looks beautiful. A park that looks like you can chill and hang out. Okay, this park have pictures of our national heroes and history about them. So that's Marcus Garvey right there. This one is Alexander Bustamante, and you have Sam Sharp down there, and Norman Manley is also on this one. So it's basically a park showcasing our national heroes. Really looks cute. Yes, baby. Hey! 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 Tyler's so ready for party, yeah. Journey. Tyler is sleeping here, and we're actually in Santa Cruz right now. We're going through the town heading to Holland Bamboo, and you'll get to see exactly why that place is called Holland Bamboo. guys, so we're in a spot that we want to get shrimp. Babe, so that's the shrimp. Just one small bag because he's gonna try it. Just one small bag, babe. Come, take out the money out there.
Peppery, mom?
Pepper shrimp.
In the salty.
No, taste it, can't taste it. Everything you want to taste one?
Yeah. Go this slow down, yeah, when it's
Try it, man.
Oh, grab that slow down.
I want me to try that. Try it, no salt.
You have to show him how to eat it to son.
I'm going to take out this, right? I just told me I'm driving around.
Baby, it cooked. Because it red like that, it's cooked.
Alright, grab the pot.
The food is inside of it, honey. That's what you have to pull out.
It tastes good, but it tastes the salt.
Yeah, it's salt. Alright, mom, I take 1 5.
Mama?
Yes, baby. You awake? You want shrimp too?
You have 5?
Yes, take the bag.
Put it in. It's nice, man.
You have paper towel, you have napkin. You guys, this is Jamaica shrimp. Peppered shrimp. Babe just tried and he like it. If you guys just smell, yeah, it smells good. You guys, I'm eating Jamaican shrimp. I think what we call this really is crawfish. So when you catch this in the water, it's black. And when you cook it, it becomes this red. And the joy about this is that, hold on baby, you soon get some. The joy about this is that it have a salty flavor and it's very, very peppery. And what we normally do, we don't normally take the meat out from in here. We just put this in our mouth and chew up everything. And right now I'm just salivating because I want it. And Tyler just tastes it and love it. And he's honing me for more. So we're going to go ahead and enjoy. Let me show you what the package looks like. This is it. And this costs $500. So we just went to a specific spot just to get this and going back to a different place. But it's all worth it. Sit, Papa, sit. I'm gonna give you some. Sit. Sit, Papa, Mama. Good boy. Wait. Wait, don't cry. I'm gonna give you some. Come, Tyler gonna eat. And it's pepper, but he loves it. I'll just give him a small piece. Oh God. The bad.
Nice, man.
Just send you one more?
Yeah, mama, me and Jeremy can't eat that.
Alright, well, stop. Baby, you gonna eat some more when we stop?
Yes, I will.
Oh God. If not, left it one, no? Wait. Look, you see? I just swallow everything. Trash everything swallow. Only thing I throw away is the head. So I just break this off because the poop in the head, so you don't want to eat that unless you want to eat poop. And just put this in my mouth. Oh God.
Nice, man.
Wait, Tyler. Take picture. Take picture.
You have to say you want to take pictures. So you don't want to. No, mercy. Let me to go for
Bamboo Village. Bamboo Village. Bamboo Village. Hey. 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 Oh, this look like my video now.
Hi, baby. So you are in Bamboo Avenue?
Yes, we're in Bamboo Village, Holland Bamboo, St. Elizabeth, where you see all these bamboo arched across the street. It's amazing. It's really a beautiful landmark. So it's good to come and hang out and see it. I've passed here a few times, but it's my first time stopping here. So it's good. Good memories. Great memories. Big Pepper, you can't take out the trash? Wait, let me do it for you. Wait, don't cry. It's okay. Salt, turn up, man. Wait.
Salty.
Come, babe, hold this. Let me do it for you.
Man.
Hold it. No, it didn't make you. Tell her, say, ah. Making mango stop right now. We're still in St. Elizabeth and we're in mango heaven. East Indian, that's what I want. East Indian mango. Hello. You guys, mango heaven. Oh my gosh, look at all this mango. Oh Lord. East Indian, please and thanks.
We don't want the sweet one. We don't want. No man, they are eating now.
Okay.
Yeah. So just in case I give you one and see what you can say.
You guys, we're on the roadside. Like a mash up 2 mango right now, meaning I'm gonna eat 2 mango. So there you have the Jamaican expression for today, mash up, meaning you're gonna eat it. Alright, let's go.
Without?
You want to try without and try like this one? You don't know if you eat it without peeling. Eat it without me peeling for it. Take it out. That one is yours. Contact. Will you bite it? Put on the back right there so we can. Oh God. Oi. Oh gosh. Wait, you're close. If you eat like that, you have to eat it and hold over your head like how Tusan eats you. No, use the teeth. That's all. No. You let me show you. That's all. It's gone. Come here. Hold mine.
You guys don't use the mouth. Thank you.
Babe, you bite my mango for? So, ready Tyler, show Papa how to eat mango, yeah? You see my Holland for my hand? Mango more, watch that? So give me some more, man. Oh gosh, heaven. I wish I could have tried this but go France with me.
Just have 2 seeds, man.
You want to lock me up on my airport? Yes, baby, yes. Come tell her, here. Yes, now let's go now. Tyler, give me some of share. More high five.
Look at me. Enjoy your mango? Enjoy your
Yes.
mango? Enjoy your mango?
Yes.
Yeah. Tyler.
Kill that tie. Kill that tie.